Solve the linear system using the method of substitution. By the end of this video, you will be able to find out the point of intersection, which we call it POI, of a linear system by using the substitution method. So I have here 7 steps. The first step is isolate one of the variables, either x or y, in one of the equations. Substitute this expression into the second equation. Combine the like terms. Number 4 step is solve for the variable. Number 5 is substitute that value into one of the original equations and solve for the second variable. Number 6 is verify your solution, and at the end don't forget to write the final statement or the concluding statement or the therefore statement. So let's just look at one example. So I have one example here, which is y equals to negative x plus 8, the first equation. The second equation is x minus y equals to 4. So I can see the first equation is already written in y equals to mx plus b. So I will substitute the first equation into the second equation. So I can label it first y equal to negative x plus 8. This is my first equation. And x minus y equals to 4. This is my second equation. So what I will do is I will substitute the first equation into the second equation. So I will write substitute equation number 1 into equation number 2. Before I start that, what I will do is I will write equation number 2, and instead of y, I will substitute negative x plus 8, and everything else remains the same. So I have here x, there is a negative sign in the equation, so now I will substitute instead of y, I will substitute negative x plus 8 equals to 4. So this y is this one from the first equation. Now I will use a distributive property here. So if there is nothing, it's 1. I will multiply negative 1 with negative x. Then I multiply negative 1 with 8. So I have x already. Negative 1 times negative x will give me positive x. Negative 1 times positive 8 will give me negative 8 is equal to 4. Now I will combine the like terms. In this case, I have 1x and 1x, which will give me 2x. Negative 8 equals to 4. I need to isolate x, so I will take the constant term to the right side. So 4 plus 8. 2x is equal to 4 plus 8 will give me 12. In order to solve for x, I will divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 12 over 2. X is equal to 6. So that is the value of x I have. Now what I will do is I will take that value of x, substitute in one of the equation. I will pick the first equation. So I can write here substitute x is equal to 6 in equation number 1. First, I will write the equation number 1. Instead of x, I will substitute 6, and there is a negative sign already. Negative 6 plus 8 will give me 2, so I will write 2 here. Therefore, this is the value of y. So I have x is equal to 6, y equals to 2, and I can write therefore POI means point of intersection, where these two lines meet each other when we're going to graph these two lines, is the x value, which is 6, the y value, which is 2. So let's just check the solution or verify the solution. So in order to verify the solution, what I will do is I will substitute the value of x, which is 6, and y, which is 2, into both of the equation. So let's just write equation number 1 I have here, which is y equals to negative x plus 8. And I will substitute 6 into x and 2 into y. Y is 2. Then I will again combine the terms. And I can tell left side is equal to the right side. It means this one is correct. Let's just check for equation number 2, which is x minus y equals to 4. Again, I will substitute instead of x 6, and instead of y, I will substitute 2. Again, I will combine these constant terms, 6 minus 2, which will give me 4, and 4. And this shows that left side is equal to the right side. Therefore, the solution is correct, which is POI. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel